Hi, my name is Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! Today we are going to make a heart-shaped box card for Valentine's Day.
Promises made under the stars are harder to keep when we're falling apart. You've got your scars, and I've made my own mistakes. How will we live? How will love survive under these flames and under the fire? Promises made under the stars that night. And here we are. You still have my heart. And here we are. We're still learning how to. We're still learning how to. Promises made under the stars. I'll keep them close, no matter how far. You're in your dreams, and my heart is wide awake. I'm wide awake. Here we are. You still have my heart. And here we are. We're still learning how to. We're still learning how to. I know what you're saying, but your words cut deep. Can you hear? Can you hear me? I know what you're saying, but your words cut deep. Can you hear? Can you hear me? Here we are. You still have my heart. Here we are. We're still learning how to. Here we are. You still have my heart. And here we are. We're still learning how to. I know what you're saying, but you're still learning how to. We're still learning how to. I know what you're saying, but you're still learning how to. We're still learning how to start. All right. Sometimes I need to lighten up. Take a breath and live in the moment. When my soul is out of touch, I refresh and my stress is flowing away. Away, away. The clouds all start floating away. Away, away. I'm soaking in the sunlight and holding off the deadlines. There's nothing like a lazy day to make my troubles fade away. of the party, that's what they call me. Snap another shot to upload to my story. The lines I'm rehearsing, don't wanna be boring. All the voices keeping me up till the morning. How am I walking? What am I wearing? If I'm honest, it can get a little exhausting. Take a step back and take a deep breath and just breathe. Just breathe. I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. Oh, I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. Oh, I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. Outside looking in, outside looking in. I'm on the outside, inside out. I'm on the outside, inside out.
I'm in and out from spaces. I don't even know who I wanna chasing. Treated as an outsider while I'm living in. Had a couple shots late night.
Why am I different? Why am I stressed?
Need a lot of time to think about me in life. The end of the day with human beings. Can we just
Just
be? Ooh, I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. Oh, I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. Oh, I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. Outside looking in, outside looking in. I'm on the outside, inside out. I'm on the outside, inside out. I'm on the outside, inside out. Outside looking in, outside looking in. I'm on the inside, but it feels like I'm on the outside. Outside looking in, outside looking in.
wake up, it's the morning. Don't dive back under the covers. You say life is boring, but I cannot believe you. I know it's not easy. Heartbroken and jobless, you're worried, but don't spend too long looking down. Look up to the skies. Hey, it's a lovely day, so don't let it get away. Put a smile back on your face. Don't wait for a reason, 'cause you could be the change. Do not wait, it's too late to delay this lovely day. Do not wait, it's too late to delay this lovely day. Hey, it's a beautiful day. The media tells you there's always some kind of crisis, but nobody tells you of songs the birds sing around us. It's easy to get down. It's like this, gravity pulls us, but don't spend too long looking down, 'cause I know.
I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!